Okay, we're gonna look for a queen.
Okay.
Stand up here.
Like that?
Yeah.
That's so fun. I don't think this is that big. It's so fun. Whoa, wow. There's a fly. There's a fly at the I saw a fly. Fly. There's a bee surrounding me.
Okay, there's a worker chewing the end of this queen cell off.
Huh?
It hasn't hatched yet. They're trying to tear this queen cell up.
So it can hatch?
I think they're trying to tear it up so it doesn't hatch.
They don't want it to hatch? I can actually see bees working.
Because this one here
There's a bee surrounding me.
has already hatched.
Oh.
See this?
Yeah.
This cell right
Oh,
there?
that's the butt.
Yeah, but it's in there trying to clean it out.
Why is it cleaning it out?
Because there's a queen right here. Come over here.
The bee surrounding me. There's a bee?
Yeah, they're kind of upset, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're tearing up the other queen cells, these, because of this bee right here. That queen right there came out of this cell, which is an emergency queen cell, which is not preferred. I would rather a queen hatch out of what looks more like a swarm cell. Those are long drawn out queen cells. But she didn't come out of those, she came out of this one right here. It's getting cleaned out right now. But there she is. You can come up here now. Stand right up here. Okay, the queen is right here. See, she's longer than the others.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's really fuzzy. And her head's small.
Yeah. It is small.
Okay, I'll put them back in there now so they can...
Are you talking to me?
Yeah. I'll put them back in there so they can finish growing.
What's that yellow covered up?
Where at? All this stuff?
Yeah.
These are baby bees that aren't hatched yet.
What are those holes surrounded by them?
The holes right here?
Yeah.
That's where they're going to make more baby bees.
So
or
they want more babies? Do you want more bees to help?
Mm-hmm.
You want to help?
You see the queen?
Yeah. I guess, wait. No, I don't. Oh, yeah, right there. So the queen bees are bigger, right? Oh.
Yeah, they're longer.
Yeah. Because bees getting upset. That is Daddy, I can still get scared, do you know? I can still get scared.
Okay, so these will go back into their mini mating nuke.
Are you still not talking to me?
Yeah. See the queen right there?
Yeah.
She'll go back in here,
So
and then she'll get a little bit older, and then she'll fly off and mate.
why does she have to fly off?
Because that's where all the boys are where she's going to mate. There's 2 queens in here, actually.
2 queens?
They're right next to each other. There's one here, and one here.
So
That one's walking around a lot more energetic.
remember that bees don't get along with each other.
Queens?
Yeah?
Queens don't like each other, do they?
Yeah.
So there's one right there, and one right there. Yeah, they don't like each other.
So they're trying to sting each other?
Not yet. They haven't met yet. There's one right there. That one looks pretty nice. It's healthy and walking around fast. This one's a little bit slow. But there's at least 2 in there right now. There's more that's probably going to hatch, but obviously they don't want more to hatch.
Yeah, they're just all mosquitoes around here.
So I'll put both of these one, 2, I only see 2 queens, but I'll put both of these queens back in here in this mini mating nuke. And the queen cells that have not yet hatched.
Daddy, the bees don't like me.
Okay. The queens that have not yet hatched will likely get killed inside their queen cell before they hatch. And the 2 that are already hatched will have to fight it out with each other, and one of them will die. I might find it down in the bottom, or this is the front over here.
Daddy, aren't you going to check the first big one? Because the first big one might have honey in it. Huh?
After they kill, at least one of these queens will die. She might be in the bottom of the box or get kicked out of the front of the box on the ground.
So the 2 queens, when they get older, they'll try to kill each other?
Yeah. They're going to try to kill each other right now.
Huh?
They'll try to kill each other right now. So I'll give them. They'll spend probably 4 or 5 days in the hive, or the one that lives. She won't leave for another 4 or 5 days, and then whenever she flies out, she'll go out and find some boys, and then mate with the drones, and she'll come back and forth, do that every day for up to a week. So that's 2 weeks away before that's completed, and then she'll spend another week or 2 learning how to lay eggs. So 2 weeks from now I may start to see eggs.